Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use your Ford F-150 generator. First, locate the Pro Power onboard system, typically found in the truck bed or cabin. To activate it, simply start your truck's engine. Once running, you can connect your tools or appliances directly to the available 120-volt or 240-volt outlets. It's designed for easy access and immediate power, making it incredibly convenient for various tasks. It's crucial to manage your power output effectively. Your F-150's infotainment screen displays real-time power consumption, helping you stay within the system's limits. Depending on your truck's configuration, you might have 2.0 kilowatts, 2.4 kilowatts, or even 7.2 kilowatts of available power. Always use appropriate, heavy-duty extension cords and surge protectors to ensure safety and prevent damage to your devices or the generator itself. The Ford F-150 generator offers incredible versatility for many situations. Imagine powering your essential tools at a remote job site, making construction or repairs much easier. During a home power outage, you can keep critical appliances like refrigerators or lights running smoothly. It's also perfect for outdoor adventures, allowing you to charge camping gear, run entertainment systems for tailgating, or even power a small outdoor kitchen. To ensure your F-150 generator performs optimally for years, follow a few best practices. Always monitor your truck's fuel level, as the generator draws directly from the fuel tank. Keep the generator's vents clear of any debris or obstructions to prevent overheating. For detailed maintenance schedules and specific operational guidelines, always refer to your Ford F-150 owner's manual. Proper care ensures reliable power whenever you need it.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.